My name is Ángel Ortiz and I am from the Universitat Politécnica de Valencia. The UPV is one of the most active Spanish universities in research and development projects, and it is also the coordinator of hub for mundial DIH, a digital innovation hub that stimulates the uptake of robotics, ciberphysical systems, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence by Valencian manufacturing small and medium enterprises. The aim of our application experiment is to transfer the know-how of our digital innovation hub in the field of manufacturing execution system, predictive maintenance, edge and cloud architecture, artificial intelligence and big data analytics, with the joint support of the CIGIP, Research Center of Production Management and Engineering, and the ITI, the Technological Center for Research, Development and Innovation in Informatics and Communication Technologies.
My name is Francisco Fraile and I am a research engineer at the Research Center on Production Engineering and Management of the Polytechnic University of Valencia. In this application experiment, we have provided Multiscan with an edge platform that allows the provisioning of added value services together with their inspection machines. The edge platform implements an open source services stack to leverage production data. For instance, time series databases to store all production data, or observability services to build beautiful dashboards or send alerts to personnel. Now, on top of these services, we have developed applications to support manufacturing operations. For instance, applications for production order control or to manage unjustified stops. These applications can be easily discovered and installed from an online catalog, making it very easy for end users to deploy on their machines.
The main goal of the anomaly detection and predictive maintenance module is to take full advantage of maintenance data to identify unexpected events on machines' performance. It also informs about anomaly detection, estimated time to failure of machines, and to measure the level of rejuvenation of a machine after performing maintenance operation. To implement this, machine learning models have been trained using machine and maintenance data. Those models later on have been deployed in the module. Then they can receive current data and predict maintenance downtimes. This information later on is shown in a dashboard where it can be analyzed and facilitate the process of making decisions about maintenance operations.
My name is Nacho Pedro from Multiscan Technologies. At Multiscan, we design and manufacture sorting, grading and inspection solutions for the agro-food and alimentary sector.
Our machines generate lots and lots of data. This grader analyzes with artificial vision every single cherry tomato, generating several characteristics that are later used to classify every piece of fruit to the appropriate exit, depending on its size, quality, color, etc. All this information, when aggregated, can be used to detect in advance abnormal situations, so the operator can act before the production line is running under suboptimal conditions and the product has been classified and packed. To detect and warn the operator about these kinds of situations beforehand allows the pack houses to reduce repacking needs and the loss of fruit quality, minimizing costs and optimizing the use of all its resources, raw materials and machinery, but also labor and energy too.